Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fill out the MCS-150 form step by step. First, ensure you understand its purpose for motor carriers operating in interstate commerce. You'll need to gather your company's US.dot number, legal name, and principal place of business. Next, identify your filing type, whether it's an initial registration, an update to existing information, or your required biennial review. This initial preparation saves significant time later in the process. Moving on, you'll need to provide details about your fleet and operations. Accurately report the total number of power units your company operates, including all trucks, tractors, and buses. Clearly specify if you operate as a for-hire carrier, transporting goods for others, or as a private carrier, moving your own property. Also, indicate if you transport passengers. This section helps the FMCSA understand your operational scope. Next, address hazardous materials and insurance. If your company transports hazardous materials that require placarding, you must clearly indicate this on the form. You'll also need to provide accurate information regarding your insurance coverage, including policy numbers and liability limits. Finally, confirm that your company has established and maintains robust safety management practices to ensure compliance and safe operations. For our final step, it's crucial to thoroughly review your entire MCS-150 form. Double-check all entered information for accuracy and completeness, paying close attention to numbers and dates. Make sure every required field is filled out to prevent any processing delays. Once you are confident everything is correct, submit your completed form, either electronically through the FMCSA portal or by mailing a physical copy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.